Hello and welcome to Cinema Explorer. The year 2021 has been quite interesting for films. We saw some blockbuster performances, some subtle performances, and a bunch of biographical roles. Here are our favorite top 10 performances of this year. At number 10, we have Adam Driver in Annette. Adam Driver is a proven performer whose dramatic acting talents are known to everyone. But what we got in Annette was a driver who was singing, driver who was self-obsessed and insecure, and driver who gave one of the best performances of the year. He has your attention from the very start thanks to his amazing screen presence and the way he commands each and every scene he is in. The way he channels his insecurities on screen are a sight to behold as he becomes drunk on greed and inner inhibitions. He is one of those actors who is definitely going to get an Oscar in years to come, and he is here to stay and charm you with his performances over and over again. At number 9, we have Nimisha Sajayan in The Great Indian Kitchen. The Great Indian Kitchen is one of the best films to come out of India this year. It is led by an amazing performance by Nimisha Sajayan, who translated the confusion and nervousness of a newlywed wife very well. But she shines even brighter when she sees through the hypocrisy of her new family as their customs and patriarchal norms break her down from within. Her struggle to make sense of this patriarchal behavior and the ultimate breakdown is portrayed in a very apt manner by Nimisha, who has made me excited to watch more of her films from her filmography and constantly keep an eye out for her new films. At number 8, we have Troy Kotsur in Coda. Coda has been the big surprise of the year, and one of the highlights of the film was the performance of Troy Kotsur, who plays the role of Frank Rossi, a culturally deaf person who can only communicate through the sign language. Kotsur brings an infectious charm to the portrayal. He is just phenomenal in numerous scenes, whether it is the comical scenes or the emotional ones. He is the soul of the film. He has been nominated for his performance at the Golden Globes as well as the Critics' Choice and might even get an Oscar nomination in the Best Supporting Actor category. At number 7, we have Nicolas Cage in Pig. When Pig came out in July, everyone anticipated it to be a John Wick ripoff. What nobody expected was it to be a philosophical film about mortality and companionship. It features one of Nicolas Cage's finest performances and one of his most subtle as well. Cage portrays the role of Robin Felt, a former chef turned truffle hunter. His performance is restrained and does not feature any of the trademark of the Cage rage. His eyes have the pain of losing his pig, yet they do not crave for sympathy from the world around as he has found his way in life. The actor subverts the expectations of audience constantly as you are expecting the scenes of rage when you get the scenes of calm and wisdom from him instead. The performance didn't go unnoticed as he has been nominated for the Critics' Choice Awards for the same. At number 6, we have Fahad Fasil in Joji. Great performance and Fahad Fasil have become quite synonymous with time. In Dilesh Bothan's adaptation of Shakespeare's Macbeth, he plays the role of Macbeth. He is a dumb-witted, good-for-nothing man but is swayed by his greed and ambition to defeat his father. The way he uses his eyes is hypnotic as you're just looking at him with awe. Somehow they are able to communicate his descent into madness effectively, and the mere presence of his character sends shivers down the spine. His poignant portrayal of the titular character of Joji is one of the best performances of the year, and once again proved that the dream combination of Fasil, Dilesh Bothan and Syam Pushkaran never misses. At number 5, we have Will Smith in King Richard. Will Smith has finally returned to the kind of role he is most appreciated for. He plays the role of Richard Williams, a loving and ambitious father of Venus and Serena Williams. Richard is a man who'll do anything to get his daughters from Compton to Wimbledon. It's hard to imagine anyone more suited for the role than Will Smith. His performance is powerful, emotional, and everything you expect it to be. He has captured the essence of Richard and delivered it beautifully to the audience. His powerful, influential, funny, and emotional performance is rightly getting the praise he deserves. With this film, our very own Fresh Prince has become a king and is sure to get an Oscar nomination and might even win. At number 4, we have Joaquin Phoenix in Come On, Come On. Joaquin Phoenix has delivered one of the most beautiful and honest performances of the year in his drama film Come On, Come On. He stars as Johnny, a single man who is given the responsibility of taking care of his nephew Jesse while his mother has some urgent family issues to attend to. Johnny both loves and struggles with this new responsibility. Phoenix has chosen the best role to succeed his role as Joker as both the performances are poles apart. He not only succeeds in depicting his emotions in a very subtle and beautiful way but also nails the nuances of such a layered character. At number 3, we have Andrew Garfield in Tick Tick Boom. Garfield has delivered a superb performance in his biographical musical film Tick Tick Boom. He plays the role of the famous composer Jonathan Larson. He has even given a brilliant singing performance for which he really worked hard for. Garfield perfectly embodies the role of a struggling artist with a quirky and eccentric personality that you just cannot help but empathize with. He has single-handedly carried the film while being extremely compelling and charismatic on screen. We always knew that Garfield had a good acting range, but with Tick Tick Boom, he has once again made his way back into the limelight. At number 2, we have Benedict Cumberbatch in The Power of the Dog. Benedict Cumberbatch plays the role of Phil Burbank, a handsome, intelligent, but often cruel rancher in Montana. He shines in this role, which can perhaps be considered as his career best performance. Phil is a complex character, and everyone who has watched the film has misjudged him for being the antagonist of the film. But he is far from being just a cruel antagonist. Cumberbatch has brilliantly acted as a grey character who has depressed his feelings and emotions for too long. The way he brings out the subtleties of such a twisted character is just commendable. Although Cumberbatch is well known for playing roles of Sherlock and Doctor Strange, but this performance proves that his acting talent is much more diverse and he is capable of so much more. Before we move to the number 1 spot, let's have a look at some honorable mentions. And Joanna Ellis in King Richard. It is not an easy thing to share a screen space with Will Smith and yet be so strongly visible in a film. And Joanna Ellis has outperformed in this task. She plays the vital role of a strong and loving mother to Venus and Serena Williams, who was equally important in the success story of her daughters. Her performance is truly phenomenal. Benicio del Toro in The French Dispatch. He plays the role of Moses, an imprisoned artistic genius who is undoubtedly the best character in the entire film. He is eccentric and funny, and his interactions with the characters of Simone and Julian are just a treat to watch. Jessica Chastain in The Eyes of Tammy Faye. Jessica Chastain is unrecognizable in her stunning portrayal of the famous televangelist Tammy Faye. She has captured the essence of a character so perfectly, from small gestures, the giggle and her Betty Boop voice. She has presented a wide range of emotions from laughing to crying and even singing. Jessica Chastain has nailed it all. Filippo Scotti in The Hand of God. Filippo Scotti plays the role of Fabio in Paolo Sorrentino's new film. His silence says so much more than his actual dialogues could ever do. His eyes do all the talking in so many scenes, aching with pain and angst. Scotti also won the prestigious Marcello Mastroianni Award at the Venice Film Festival. At number 1 spot, we have Kristen Stewart in Spencer. The Twilight star Kristen Stewart has finally delivered a performance which is getting the Oscar buzz. While everyone had been doubtful about how Stewart will perform in Spencer, she has just managed to come off with flying colors. Her subtle yet emotional portrayal of Princess Diana just has to be the best performance of the year. The film uncovers Diana's raw, emotional side, which Stewart plays in the most real and honest way possible. The relationship she has with her sons is truly heartwarming to watch. As the film depicts her degrading mental health in the confinements of the royal household, Stewart makes the character of Diana very human and relatable. So these were our favorite performances of the year. Tell us your favorites in the comment section below and don't forget to like and subscribe.